Landlords, if your tenant pays all the rent demanded in your 3-day notice to pay rent or quit within 3 business days, does that terminate the termination of tenancy for non-payment of rent based on that notice? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Got a question from a property manager the other day about whether or not if termination of tenancy based on non-payment of rent is canceled out if your tenant pays the full amount demanded on the 3-day notice. The answer is yes. In California, if your tenant tenders the full amount of the rent demanded on the notice to pay rent or quit within the 3 days or whatever, if you're subject to CARES Act, you're gonna have to give them 30 days, or if your lease requires otherwise, they tender that money within that period of time. That cancels out as a matter of law that notice, basically. It doesn't prevent a landlord, again, for issuing another notice if the tenant becomes delinquent in rent, but if full payment is offered, landlord is required by law to accept it. Obviously each situation is factually dependent. You may want to consult with landlord's counsel, because basically in the context of a residential lease and a commercial lease, there are a little bit of nuances, but generally, yes, if your tenant tenders the full amount of rent to the landlord, that notice goes bye-bye, and you can't use it to terminate the tenancy. If you have questions, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Put your questions in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them to my best of my ability. Thanks so much.